Okay, I'm actually super thirsty.
Go back out in the hallway. Watch it. I'm in a tower, our demon.
Well, I'm like
Go back.
super hungry, and like my fridge is really empty.
Can't go back.
That's because I just started college. Basically, a university. So let's just do that, and then you know what? Let me just put this down. So that I can this down. Put my mask over there.
We don't go open.
Well, let's use this and put something else too. Oh, let's go to this place. Just put this down and then get ready. Open this. What should I
There's something on it. There's something on it.
Let's just wait.
This is my iPad. Actually, this is my iPad.
Actually, not gonna lie, I don't know something else.
You don't have Toka Boca.
Let's see if there's anything
I'll
else.
be using Toka Boca for you.
What is this, guys?
Yeah, take out the cover.
Oh my god, stop interrupting my video. Guys,
Abby, you don't need the cover.
just put this on my bed.
Abby, you don't need the cover. Abby, you don't need the cover.
Yes, I do! Stop! It has to charge.
Take off this cover.
That is gonna get mad at me, okay? What's wrong with you?
Put that charger on. I don't want the cover. I don't want the cover. Put the cover.
Sorry. Okay, put that up there. If there's anything missing, I'm gonna take this one because this one might
open.
spill.
Are they still open?
Just take out my wallet. Oh my god, guys. That is
Abby's open. Can you open it? Abby, open it. I should know the password.
okay, guys. I'm just gonna wear some headphones. I can't believe I just left it. Okay, let's open the door. Oh, yes. Okay. Patient. About yourself. Well, I'm glad to give you the good. Thank you, shut up. It's $2.99. wouldn't. It's okay. Wow, your house is actually so big. It's not a house, girl, it's an apartment. Well, let's start the makeover. Okay, I'm just gonna go on my own. Let's give you this. Wait, let's take off your glasses, because you look ugly with them. I have glasses too. god. Just put my bag down. See if I'm feeling. So I'm gonna run for a few clothes. You can see my next door. Wait, I think I live downstairs. Oh my god, we can meet each other sometimes. That's super good. Yeah, girl, definitely. Let's watch some TV whenever you're right. Okay, girl, let me lend you some cute clothes because that looks UGL. And you know what I just spelled? Ugly. Girl, you don't have to throw that. This is slay. I need some tanning. Like, I got so light. Not gonna lie. Girl. Yeah, I need a little tanning. Like, fucking look normal, because I'm doing, like, the not normal one in my family, because I look so white. Yeah, girl. Okay, let's go get some tanning. Okay, let's go get some tanning. Oh, it's already right here. Tan. Hey girl, I just did my hair. Very good. And you did this last real good. That's great, girl. Okay, I'm gonna just dye my hair. Or just wash my hair. Girl, I'm back. You? Oh my god. We're definitely besties. We're definitely besties. I'm gonna use some of my bags, especially because you just came here. The outfit is actually a really slumber outfit. So cute. Not gonna lie, so cute. Bye, girl. Bye. You know what? Let's have a sleepover. Okay. It's okay. I'll sleep on the couch. That's right for you. So let's have some party first. Where's your phone? Oh yeah, where is it? Oh my god, it's probably downstairs. Guys, don't mind that. Guys, don't mind my little sister. Okay. I just use your laptop if you want. Yeah, sure. Where's my phone? Girl, you. Okay, let's do it. It's like nighttime. It literally took us that long just to do stuff. Yeah, can I get a PJ? Of course, girl. Can you this? Yeah, she's so cute. Like, slay. Oh my god, that's actually so cute. Girl, don't say that. Don't say. Like, period. Like, what would I do without that? You can keep it, actually, if you want. See why? Because, like, I packed nothing. I didn't know that. It's okay, girl. Like, you're in the right hand. Okay. Okay, let's go on the couch. Goes to couch. Look at this TikTok. Oh my god, that's actually cute. I know. She's so handsome. Wait, didn't we just eat? How is this happening with this back? That's a good thing. Yeah, that's right. With big backs. Just kidding. Let's throw this trap thing away. Okay. I got an extra bag. I'm not that like an extra bag for you. This actually bed is so cute. But yeah, let me just put your laptop on. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone down. I'll set up in a warmer. Here you go. Like, it's the weekend. I know, that's the best. Okay, I'm really so tired. I forgot it's already in the computer. Girl. You sure? Oh well. It's okay. Oh, I smell anyways. Who's in there? Yeah? Oh. Guys, sorry. Okay, guys, this is the end. I'm super sorry I couldn't be. I'm super sorry, guys. That I didn't do like part 2 or 3. Huh? Wait, oh my god. How did I do? Okay. It's morning time. Wake up, girl. Oh my god, you scared me. Jeez. What time is it? I think I forgot to set the alarm. How? Yeah, that's okay, right? You're stupid. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's a Saturday. Oh. Well, bye. Bye, guys. Can I at least have some help moving the bed? Oh, sure. Okay, I'm gonna move it off of the bed. Okay, then move the ladder to get up and then okay, guys, this is the end.